Hey, it's Michael Saul, but everybody calls me Tiny. This video is Nothing Has Changed. This is stock market analysis for the week of September 2nd, 2019. If you would like to receive intra-week updates, go to www.attackthemarkets.com. Put in your first name, best email address, follow the directions, and you will be on the distribution list. Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/attackthemarkets. If you like what you're hearing on this video, and come on, you know you do, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment so I can move up the ranks in YouTube, and to never miss a video, when one is dropped on the channel, click subscribe and smash that bell, and you'll be notified when I upload a fresh video. Okay, so as the title says, nothing has changed. And if we look at what happened in August, we really didn't go anywhere. A lot of reports, a volatile August, to this August, to that August. We didn't go anywhere. And a few weeks ago on the video, I'm not bragging that I called it, because really, what did I call? I didn't say we're going to hit this number or that number or give some big prognostication. All I said was, be ready for some sideways action, at least through the rest of the summer, maybe even longer, maybe even through the rest of the year. Now, I don't know if I'm sticking to that point of, are we going to just stay like this for the rest of the year? But we could continue for at least a few more weeks. All right, so why did I say that? Let's do a quick review. We had a huge run-up since hitting our lows last December. We came up to the high, and then the market just looked exhausted. We were seeing some divergence throughout the major indexes, and that suggested to me that we would due for some choppiness. Not for a huge bear market, not for a huge pullback. I didn't call any of that. I just said I'm going to be looking for a sideways consolidation, come back into the range, just stay there for a bit. Now, for day traders, it's been not bad. Okay, there have been some really nice range days. Okay, some narrow range, of course, but that's how the market works. It oscillates between narrow range and range expansion. But we have the range expansion days. So for day traders, not bad. And of course, there's always stocks that are trending one way or the other that you can pick up and play with swing trades or with options. And of course, if you're a spread trader and you manage to catch this range, of course, there was money to be made there with credit spreads, etc. But again, so there is opportunity. I'm not saying the entire opportunity was drawn out of the market. Okay, that's not the case, but we really just didn't go anywhere, and a lot of people found it frustrating. I was getting a lot of emails. What are we going to do? When are we going to break this? I'm getting comments on the video. As soon as I get comments on the video, I know that we're probably not running anywhere fast. It's not an insult to anybody, but when everybody's sitting there, wait for the move, that's the time when the market lulls you to sleep. Yes, eventually we will get that move. I just don't think it's going to happen right away. Don't know if it's going to happen this week. Of course, this is the video for the week of September 2nd, but September 2nd is Labor Day, so the U.S. markets are closed. So it's only a 4-day week. Tariff talk is still going strong, okay, from President Trump, and then China saying things, and then President Trump come back and go, oh, we're back on the table, we're going to work this out. So, again, how long is that going to last? I'm not talking about the tariff talk. That could go on for a while. But how long is it going to last as far as having a huge effect on the market? Eventually, it dies down. It gets diluted. Okay, most news reactionary moves, they eventually get diluted when everybody's like, oh, another one, another tariff talk. Oh, okay, well, and you'll start seeing that the reactions start to get calmer. Calmer? Wow, I can't even pronounce the word calmer. Right? They won't be as erratic or as volatile as we have seen. You'll start to see that. Now, I don't know if that's going to happen right away, or it's maybe a little bit further down the road, but yeah, that's what I'm looking at. All right, so what is the plan for the coming week? The plan for the coming week is to see if the S&P can break through this logjam, either get above the 50 or come down to the 200-day. I think if it catches 200-day, I still think these ranges are playable for now. But if we do break out, yeah, we could zoom back up to the highs. It's only, 10 points from here? That's really kind of not, only a couple percentage points from here. And if we come down, I think the 200-day should hold as support the first time. But if we bunch up there and then break through, then we got to look for the June lows. I was going to say the lows of the year, but went a little bit lower in March. So yeah, let's call it the March range low. Okay, we were obviously lower in February and back here in January, but the range low, which is down here in March. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for as far as the SPY. The Dow looks the same. Not really interested. The NASDAQ, come on, my computer's deciding to. Okay, the NASDAQ looks the same. Russell still looks craptastic, but it's trying to stay in its range, but it's under both the 50 and the 200-day moving average. Here's the mid caps. All right, all above the 200, but a little sloppy. It's lagging the broad market here, but it's doing better than the Russell. All right, how about let's do a couple of indexes, but you can see my my freaking charts are driving me nuts here with my stupid computer running slow. So here's the semiconductors, and the semiconductors are above the key moving averages, right? So if they could break out above this 1520 mark, maybe it could lead us. They could lead us higher, right? Let's look at a couple of quick stocks. I'm gonna get really annoyed if this is going to continue to lag like this. Here's KLA Tanker acting really well. Watch 150. How about Nvidia? Come on. Should I sing in between? So Nvidia is still in its range here, and then you got Intel, right, which is lagging a bit. How about the banks? We're gonna, like I said, we're just gonna go through a couple of these. I'm gonna have to start pausing if they're gonna take this long. So the banks, they're on the bounce right now, but they definitely don't look bullish. They're under the 50 and the 200 day, more range bound than anything. But if they give up this August ledge here, yeah, it could get a full retracement back down to the December lows. Again, I'm not saying that we're definitely going to pop higher here, right? So we have to pay attention. Here's the XBD, right, coming up into the 200-day moving average on a zigzag pattern here. Let's see what happens if it does get there. How about bonds? Okay, bonds still look like they want to go higher. Look for the TLT to try up to 150. Here's USO, which is how I look at oil when we're looking at ETFs. Coiled up, okay, it's suggestive that this is a point of equilibrium, means it could break either way, up or down. Don't sit here and go, well, it's down, so it's... No, that's not how this works. That's not how the market works, okay? When we get down to a point of equilibrium, we look for a break one way or the other. If it does break to the downside, though, I think there's going to be enough momentum to bring us down to the 2018 lows on the USO. So we want to watch that. How about gold? So gold, in a pullback here, Mike Swanson nailed this with the miners here, and you can see that gold still looks like it wants to go higher. Again, nothing's really changed. If you look at last week's video, basically the same old spiel here. That's why I thought it was going to be a short video this week, and it is to go with the 4-day short week. So in my opinion, just to recap, we got to wait for this log jam to break. Once a log jam does break, then we can look to get on board. Again, I'm not a big fan of just buying a breakout. I like to see a breakout and a pause, of course. You may miss it. It may break out, and it's only a couple percentage points, like I said, up to the high, so you may miss it. But that's why they make intraday charts. That's why they make 60-minute charts, right? All different ways to get on board. Any questions, tiny@attackthemarkets.com. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment so I move up the ranks. Hit subscribe, smash the bell in order to get updates. Join the Facebook group, and join the intra-week update list at attackthemarkets.com. Have a great Labor Day, great week. I will talk to you in next week's video or in the intra-week updates.